Open your web browser and search for Java Download on your preferred search engine. Click on the first search result, which will take you to the official Java download page for Windows. I'll leave a direct link to this page in the video description for your convenience. Once on the page, click the download button to start the download. If you need Java for a different operating system, you can click on See All Java 8 Downloads for desktop users. This will give you the option to select the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Mac OS or Linux. After the download finishes, run the Java installation file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And once it's finished, the problem should be resolved. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.